Hi there. Today I like to talk about certain houses which I don't personally buy and I don't want you to buy it either. Even though they look like your dream house, please don't buy it. A huge headache after all and you're gonna thank me later. First, house with foundation issues. This means that the base or the ground under the house is not strong or stable. Fixing this can be very expensive and it might make the house not safe to live in. How to tell if a home has foundation problems? If doors and windows are hard to open and close consistently, regardless of the weather, it can be a sign of foundation issues. Look for sticking doors and cabinet doors that won't stay closed. Uneven or sloping floors can indicate foundation problems. Use a level or check if a marble rose to spot subtle slopes. Pay attention to any feelings of imbalance and look for cracks in the garage floor. Higher moisture level in the home can be an early warning sign of foundation damage. Look for staining along baseboards, musty smells, cracks in sheetrock, water damage in basements or crawl spaces, and signs of past water intrusion. Cracks running from the floor up the interior walls can suggest foundation issues. Exterior siding may also warp or crack due to a shifting foundation. Number 2, don't buy a house if the house is very near where trains pass or a road with lots of cars and trucks. It can be very noisy, like hearing loud sounds all the time. Also, the vibrations from trains or traffic can make the house shake. This might make it hard for you to relax or sleep well in the house. It can also make it tricky to sell the house later because many people don't like noisy places. It's going to stay longer on the market and you're going to have much less buyers' interest. However, if you really have to get into town for some reasons, like your family lives there or you want to be in certain school district, but budget is tight, make sure you buy at least 10% of the current value of similar homes. And this is a big one. Many properties in New York may have buried oil tanks, which were used for heating oil. Some lenders may be hesitant to provide mortgages for homes with underground oil tanks, especially if they're older. Homeowners insurance typically does not cover the costs associated with tank removal, leaks, or related damage. But the biggest risk is dealing with the costs associated with the leak. Even a minor heating oil leak in your garden can come with substantial remediation fees and fines. Additionally, delaying the repair and remediation is not typically an option. Leaking oil is a health and environmental hazard. Along with contaminating the soil, it could allow oil to leak into drinking water sources. It costs as little as $4,000 and up to $100,000. As a result, it's best not to move forward with the purchase unless the underground oil tank is removed correctly, abandoned. Are you still hesitating? Please don't. Just let it go. Now, I like to talk about this one, termite issues. Some people worry a lot about these problems in houses, especially in New York. Termites are tiny insects that can eat wood and cause damage to a house structure. In New York, termites are relatively common, but the good news is that they are usually easy to fix. There are pest control experts who can get rid of termites and protect your home from future infestation. So while termite issues might sound scary, they are something that can be managed with the right help. We get calls and emails every day of people just like you looking for help of buying and selling in New York, and we absolutely love it. Whether you're buying in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email so we can help you to make a smooth move to New York.